Okay, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment in Schoology using the Create option. Okay, I'm just going to go to Test Assignment again, Resubmit Assignment. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to use Create option this time, though. Okay, so here are the directions for the apple cutting. All right, so I can type here, I can save a draft, right? But I'm gonna go to this document that I have and I'm going to copy this, bring it back over to this document, paste it in here, okay? And now I am ready to submit, okay? So I can type it directly in here or I can copy and paste in here. All of these options for formatting, but it's ready in this case to copy and paste. I used copy and paste, so I'm going to click submit.